guys the magic isolation trick. This trick is really cool. I promise everybody's gonna be, wow, how did you do that? And then you can say it's a magic isolation trick. So let's go for Happy Hoopy School! This is the isolation trick. It's called isolation. And then, yeah, it looks like hula hoop is floating to the air. And then it is really cool and a magical trick. So this is the center point. You always isolate in the center point. So this is center point and then isolate to the center point. And then you can see this is a hand hula hooping. It's gonna be up and down. The hula hoop is up and down, up and down. And then this is an isolation trick. This is an isolation trick. Your hula hoop is always in front of you, not going up, not going down. If you do this trick, it's a hand hula hoop. So when you do the isolation, they have 4 points: 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And then you're gonna gently hold your hula hoop on 12 o'clock position, 9 o'clock, and 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. When it comes to 3, you're gonna roll the hula hoop on the other side of your hand to come back to 9 o'clock. So 3 o'clock and 9. 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So it's all about this movement. It's all about roll the hula hoop on the other side of your hand. It's all about this movement. And then lots of times my student says, Shiho, I can't do it because your hand let go of the hula hoop. Your hand off the hula hoop. And then the hula hoop falls down. That's why you cannot do it. Your hand, other side of your hand, always touching with the hula hoop. Always touching to the hula hoop. Always touching to the hula hoop. You can probably practice from 9 to just a little bit. 9 to just a little bit. Not completely isolation. It's okay. For the first time, you don't have to do 9 to 3. You can do a little bit. And then you can do more. And then you can do 9 to 3. You can do 9 to 3. It takes a little bit of muscle, so you may feel a little bit sore on the next day or after you practice isolation trick. But more you do, more you get better, and then you feel less painful next day. And then I was a slow learner. I picked up the body hula hooping trick really quick, but isolation trick, it took me 6 months to get isolation trick. So yeah, it takes time, but once you get it, it's a super cool, magical trick. So I recommend you to practice on an earlier stage because it takes time, but it was to practice. This is a really, really, really cool trick. And then once you get isolation, you can practice with other hand. You can practice with other hand, or you can practice on other direction. So you can go both direction with both hands. Nice. Again, it takes time, but practice, practice, practice. And then I'm sure you will get it. Let's go over again together. Did you get it? I hope you all got the isolation trick. And again, if you didn't get the trick yet, you can practice again and again to watch this video. And then I've been teaching hula hooping 8 years, and then some of my students can do isolation trick because they practice. So hopefully you get this trick, and then I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any tricks you want to learn, you can leave the comment in my video. And then if you can like my video or subscribe my channel, I will be very happy. Thank you for your support and then thank you for watching my video. My name is Shiho Sparkle Hooper again from Happy Hoopy Life. またね!